support your team with any transformation challenges, hire me. If you would like to have a system coach, either for your team coaching or individual coaching at your company, call me. If you are looking for the trainer for an inspirational change management workshop, better call Aldona. Almost 30 years working experience in store operation, in training and development, building different processes, designing different learning solutions, delivering different learning solutions, leading and co-leading the change initiative, organize corporate big events. Today, as a solopreneur, with my experience, with my energy and with my expertise, I want to help managers and organizations to go smoothly through the transition phase and reach business objective of the change initiative and maintain high employees engagement.
Yes! Welcome at ABCC Positive Change Management.
I am Aldona, founder and owner of ABCC. Let me concentrate on my assets. I'm focused, committed, well-structured and disciplined. To achieve the best outcome for my customer is for me the highest priority. I never give up. I always look for the alternative solution because I believe where is the problem, there is the solution. Sure thing, sometimes you need to stop project to the valid reasons. But then I would like to make a proper closing because always you can learn something out of the situation. And never stop learning is also my motto. I'm always glad to learn and explore new things. And not only with books and courses, but also by doing and discovering these new areas. And also to exchange with my customers, partners, and colleagues. With my leadership, I inspire people and bring good vibes in the team. I follow empiric lifestyle. It means prototyping, learning, and trying again. I have courage to be a pioneer because new experiences, they give the next opportunity to learn. Well, I appreciated direct and specific feedback. It helps me to work better for you. Let's discuss about it. Please use the booking form and find the most suitable time slot for you. No charge, no obligation, only exchange. Aldona, your positive change coach.